Good morning, guys. Today I am going to teach you how to create sign up page using HTML and CSS. This is my HTML page. This div inside form tag, form container, inside placeholder, enter your name, enter your email and enter your password and one sign up button. This simple sign up page, guys. It will come like this. I wanted to make add CSS for this. This is already added. For just you guys, I will remove this. I will add it again. This is gender CSS as I told you before. Box sizing border box. Body. Display flex. Justify content center. Degrees 903. Now I am styling this one. Sign up container. Display flex. Justify content center. Align item center. Width 100%. Like this. Then style this login. No, sign up box. Adding some background color for white. I will show you the output also. This is white. This is login box, guys. Padding 40 pixel. Border radius 10 pixel. Width 350 pixel text align center. I will show you the output also like this. It is padding and border radius text align center. Okay, got it right? We move on next. This margin bottom I added and font style. This input box position relative and margin bottom 20 pixel dot input box I dot material icons position absolute top 6 pixel left 0 color width 100 percentage padding 10 pixel border none save it and output border none border only I need bottom, that is why border bottom CS border bottom. It's nice, right? See, if I click here, border is coming. I don't want like that. For that, outline none, save it and go to the output. It is removed, right? Font size 14 pixel. Now I need to style this sign up button. Where the sign up button is there, I will copy that, paste it here, width 100 percentage, padding 10 pixel, background. I have already make it as a background. I will copy this. I will paste it here. Border none. Border radius 5 pixels. 16 pixel font size. Cursor pointer like this. Dot com. Top or bottom. Margin top only. Margin top. This. I want to remove that this line. Login the bottom line. For that account a text decoration none. See guys, removed. See guys, I have already created login page. If I click on don't have an account sign up, it will go login page. Already have an account login. This is good, right? Thank you guys. Bye bye. See you in the next class.